In this tutorial, you will learn what roles in VERA mean and how to administrate them. Roles are used in VERA to define user rights. This includes rights to access certain areas in VERA and to use certain functions that VERA offers. A user can be member of more than one role to perform different tasks in VERA. By default, VERA offers different predefined roles that are normally sufficient to map the typical user types in email processing. These are the Meta Administrator, who is able to create new administrators; the administrator, who can access all administrative parts of VERA to configure the system and to control and supervise the email processing; the agent, who has access to the normal user area for working on emails; the newcomer, whose emails have to be checked and released before they are sent; and the advanced user, who has the right to check and release newcomer emails. To create a new role, please go to the tab Settings in the Administrative area and choose Roles in the left-hand tree. The existing roles are listed in the upper right list. Below you see the list of rights and the settings for the role that was selected in the list. Please click on the button New to create a new role. VERA opens a dialog in which you can define a name for the role, set a level for the role, and define the rights. The role level is a value between lowest and highest and defines which roles a member of a role is able to edit. A user can only edit a role if he is a member of a higher level role than the one he wants to edit. The rights are grouped in three categories. The first category, Rights on VERA areas, contains access rights to the different VERA areas like Administrative area or Normal User area, and rights to show or hide the different sub-areas. You can see that for the Administrative area there is a partition that allows you to grant access rights to each of the tabs, and within each tab to each section like Users, Roles, or Teams. If you want to give access rights for the section Roles, please set the right to Enabled. The second category, Rights on VERA items, contains rights to read or read and write different object types like competence areas, users, role, standard answers, and emails. The competence area rights are separated into rights to read or write assigned competence areas, public competence areas, and private competence areas. If you want to allow the role to edit other roles, you have to set the Read Write right here. The third category, Rights on VERA actions, contains functional rights like the right to answer emails, internal forward emails, external close emails, create or delete competence areas, mark emails as spam, or release newcomer emails. After you finish defining the rights, please click on OK to create the new role. The buttons Edit and Delete can be used to edit or delete the selected role. Please note that it might be necessary to assign other roles to users, as they don't own the rights of the deleted role anymore. After changing the VERA configuration, it is necessary to save it. To do so, please click on the icon Save All.